Have you ever wondered? A country that once struggled to feed itself has become the world's largest producer of milk? Today, I will take you to a journey. A journey which is a story not about milk, a story of India's transformation, story of millions of farmers, and a story of hope. And a story of one man who has changed everything. Dr. Varghese Kurian, the father of White Revolution. A man whose vision not made milk just a drink but a movement. Let's start from a beginning. There was a time when India was heavily dependent on imported milk powder. Our villages have cows and buffaloes but was not able to convert it into a money. Farmers were poor, middlemen controlled prices, and milk was a luxury for many. And then came a silent revolution. Operation Flood. Launched in 1970, Operation Flood was the world's largest dairy development program. The idea behind that is simple yet powerful. Remove middlemen, empower farmers, create a milk network, and every drop of milk reaches to every household that is safe, fresh, and affordable. This was not only the government effort, but it is a people movement, a cooperative movement where farmer become owners, milk become freedom, and Amul became the taste of India. And you will be amazed to know that Amul is one of the top global cooperatives with a turnover of over 90,000 crores. Imagine. This revolution didn't just give milk, it gave dignity, it gave livelihood, it gave economic independence to millions of houses in rural areas, specifically to women. And do you know the result? I will let you know. Today, India stands tall as the world's largest milk producer with 32% of global supplies, with production touching 239.30 million tons and still rising. Building on this success, India is now moving towards White Revolution 2.0, planning 75,000 new dairy cooperatives and modernizing processing capacity by 2028-29. And with the new GST reforms of 2025, where the GST rates have lowered to 0 to 5% over this sector has become strongest ever. That is why every year on 26th November, India celebrates National Milk Day. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Varghese Kurian. Not just to remember him, but to remember ourselves that what could happen when innovation meets determination. Think about it. From shortages to self-sufficiency, from dependency to global leadership, all because of one revolution and a point that farmer deserves better. Let me ask you, is India ready for the White Revolution 2.0? Let me know in the comment section. Have you earlier known about this incredible story of milk? You have it every day. Happy National Milk Day to all. Subscribe and follow for more such insightful content.